if you saw my random stuff video, you see what I purchased at Toys R Us. Today, I'm going to unbox something and give it a run. And that is the Railway Race Set from Trackmaster of Thomas & Friends, based off the movie The Great Racist. Yeah, so this set was originally $50, but it was 40% off, so it was $30. And I decided to get that because Streamline Thomas and Percy. If I was to get another set, I'll make a streamlined Percy. That's what I see. So anyways, let's just unbox this bad boy, okay? Alright. So, after we unboxed this, it had a lot of stuff in it. It was pretty cool. We got 2 of those stop and go tracks, which is pretty neat. I like it. I had to use a key to open it up. And it comes with 2 trains, a racing Percy and a streamlined Thomas. So, I'm gonna put the set together. So, after putting the decals on, and building the track layout, and putting batteries into the engines, I'm going to give it a test run. But before that, I detailed the buffers on the back of Streamline Thomas and Percy. Always paint buffers before you start the engine, because it may look like you have no buffers at all. So anyways, shall we start? Yes, we can. Alright, let's kick off the first race. Alright, ready? Alright, set. And let's go. Alright, I'm gonna do this one-handed. Off you go. Whoops. Damn it. Sorry about that. I hate this fucking bed. I really do. I'll have to replace my bed someday when I'm moving, because I'm moving in June. So let's restart the engines one more time. There's go. Ready, set, go. This is my favorite. Oh. And the winner is Streamline Thomas. He wins. Congratulations, Sudrian Alfo. You win. That's all I got to say.